The JSE Combined Index lost almost 12,000 points or 3.5% last week. 121 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, October 6, 2023. 39 made gains, 73 lost value, and 9 stayed the same. 97 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $540 million. Trans-Jamaican Highway was last week's most traded stock. It took up 16% of market volume with 16 million shares trading. The stock gained 16 cents to open Monday at $2.90. Carreras traded the second highest. The stock gained 4 cents to open this week at $8.08. And One Great Studio rounded out last week's most traded with 9 million shares changing hands. The stock lost 4 cents to open Monday at $1.05. Now let's see who had the biggest gains for the week. ISP Finance was the market's biggest gainer. The stock was up 29% to open Monday at $44. Main Event had the second biggest gain last week. The stock was up 21%, closing the week at $15.99. And JMMB Group 5.75% FRUSD CR preference shares was up 16% to open the week at $2.17 US. On the losing side now, Paramount Trading was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost 43 cents to open Monday at $1.56. Caribbean Assurance Brokers was the week's second biggest loser, opening the new week at $2.52. And 138 Student Living Variable Preference was down almost 19%, closing last week at $85. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index was mostly stable last week. National Enterprises was the most traded stock. The stock's price remained unchanged to open this week at $3.55 TT. Endeavour Holdings was the biggest gain of the week. The stock was up 15% to start the week at $14.95 TT. And on the losing side, Ansa Merchant Bank fell almost 4% to open Monday at $42.63 TT. Over in the US, the Dow Jones was mostly stable last week, while the S&P 500 was up 0.5% and the Nasdaq gained almost 2%. At the pumps, gas prices fell $3.06 last week, while regular diesel prices rose 1 cent and low sulfur diesel rose 82 cents. In foreign exchange, it took an average $155.48 Jamaican to purchase $1 US last Friday. That's the same as the week before. Meanwhile, it took an average $114.60 Jamaican to purchase $1 Canadian. 1 British pound cost on average $190.25 Jamaican. And you could buy €1 for $167.78 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices fell 1% over the past 5 days, trading at $27,508 US on Monday, while Ethereum was down 3%, trading at $1,594 US on Monday.